Hey guys, welcome back to a handmade home. I'm Hester. New video, new hair. I thought I've been blonde long enough. Let's have a little change. Not quite sure if I like this yet, but let's give it a go and drop me your opinions. Anyway, new video, and we want to do this video for ages. If you have a child or a baby, you probably have an Ikea Antilop high chair. I think the whole world has this high chair. You especially see it a lot in restaurants. It's a really good high chair. It's super cheap and it's really good. Kiki loves sitting in it. We got another one as well, but way more expensive. I think she might actually prefer this Ikea one. Only thing is, it's a super plain high chair. So I thought, let's see if we can zhuzh it up a little bit and give the high chair slightly more style. Start by cleaning the chair, give it a good wipe and take the four legs off. Initially, I was thinking of just swapping these legs for 4 wooden dowels, like broomstick handles, because you can easily insert them underneath the chair here, screw them in place, then you have a really nice wooden legged chair. But then I was thinking, not so mobile then anymore, because these legs have a very handy catch mechanism. You just push it in, take the leg out, and there you have it. Chair, pop in your car when you go see friends or family. That's exactly what we do, because it's our spare high chair. So instead of wooden legs, I came up with a new idea. Contact paper. Very handy self-adhesive vinyl paper. Attaches to your legs. Looks like wood. Easy, right? So roll your paper out. I'm just going to weigh it down with something to keep it from rolling up again. You need to cut strips that are 61 centimeters long and 8 centimeters wide. So I'm just first going to cut it on 61 centimeters. Which is here. Let's do 2 measurements, so I cut straight. And they need to cut this to 8 centimeters. You see I made some marks here. This is 8 centimeters. This is how thick your leg is. And it's very handy, there's little squares there, so you can just cut them on there. You got 4 legs, so cut this 4 times. And then you have to put your contact paper on your leg. It's really easy. Start at the bottom, because you want it to be a straight line there. Stick it on. Take the whole length off. Smooth it down. You might need to cut a little slit where the button is. There we go. Smooth one side down. And then the other one on top. Just press it down with your hands until it's nice and smooth. If there's a little mistake, just peel it off. Get rid of the air bubbles and smooth it down again. Couldn't be easier. There you go, 4 wooden legs. If you want even a bit more fun, I got these stickers online, as well on eBay. Little round color code stickers. Stick them on the seat. It's a really easy way to personalize your high chair. Just place them in random spots. Can even overlap them a little bit. I'm mainly going to put the stickers on the side and the back, not really on top of here, because babies always have a tendency to pick at stuff, and Kiki is really good in picking stuff off, so I don't really want her to get hold of these stickers and maybe eat them. So just concentrate on the back and the sides. And you should never ever leave your child unsupervised in the high chair. It's fine, even though if they pick the stickers off, you're always there. Just make sure you push them really well to the chair. Then you put your legs back into the high chair and your super quick makeover is done. And the best thing is, if you're fed up with these stickers, take them off, put new ones on. minutes and the chair looks so different. I think it's really nice. You can just adapt the chair to suit your interior. Just use different contact paper and you can just keep changing your legs up. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and as usual, have a look on my website hester'shandmadehome.com for more craft ideas for your home. I'll be back soon with a new video. Hope to see you then.